Is this the best car insurance in 2026? Finding the right car insurance can feel like a nightmare. Endless quotes, confusing terms, and prices that seem to change for no reason. That's where Insurify steps in. In 2026, it claims to make the whole process easier, faster, and smarter. But the real question is Insurify truly the best car insurance option this year? Let's find out. Insurify is an online car insurance comparison platform that helps you find and buy the best coverage for your vehicle in minutes. Instead of visiting 10 different websites or talking to multiple agents, you enter your information once, and Insurify compares quotes from dozens of top insurance companies, instantly. The idea is simple: save time and money. But Insurify doesn't just show you prices. It uses AI to analyze your driving profile, your location, your car model, and even your past insurance behavior to recommend the most suitable option for your needs. In 2026, the app and website have become even smarter. The platform has improved its accuracy and added new features like real-time policy management, claim tracking, and even discounts for safe drivers. Everything happens within the same dashboard, making it much easier to handle your car insurance without dealing with paperwork or long phone calls. Let's talk about what users love most. The design is clean, the results are fast, and the quotes are often cheaper than what you'd get by contacting insurers directly. It also includes customer reviews and coverage breakdowns, so you can see exactly what you're paying for before you make a decision. Many users report saving hundreds of dollars per year, especially when switching from traditional insurance companies. Plus, Insurify's customer service has improved significantly in 2026, offering live support and transparent explanations of each policy, which is something a lot of people appreciate. However, it's not perfect. Some users have mentioned that quotes can vary slightly once you move forward with the actual insurer, and not all companies are listed in every state or country. Also, while the AI recommendations are helpful, they still depend on the information you provide. So, if you skip details, you might not get the most accurate results. Another downside is that Insurify focuses mostly on comparison. It doesn't issue policies directly. So while it's great for finding the best deal, you'll still have to complete the final purchase through the insurer itself. For some people, that's an extra step they wish they could skip. But overall, in 2026, Insurify stands out for its simplicity, transparency, and ability to help you find affordable coverage without the usual stress. It's especially valuable for younger drivers, frequent travelers, or anyone who wants to compare multiple options without spending hours online. So, is Insurify the best car insurance platform in 2026? It might just be one of the best. It's not flawless, but it's efficient, modern, and built around real user needs. Whether you're buying a new car or just want to lower your monthly payments, Insurify is definitely worth trying. Final verdict: Insurify continues to redefine how people shop for car insurance. It combines technology, speed, and user-friendly design in a way that actually saves you time and money. And in a world where every dollar counts, that's something every driver can appreciate.